Hello everyone, this is Neha Naukale. My class ID is 26. So in the first task of this ICP, we will perform sentiment analysis on some sentence. So we will train the model with the Twitter data set and then we will perform a sentiment analysis. So here, let's see the code first. So here I am loading the sentiment.csv dataset. So this dataset contains tweets from the Twitter. And then here I'm just taking the two columns out of the dataset, that is text and sentiment. And here I'm removing the neutral sentiments from the data. And then here I'm filtering the tweets. And then we will vectorize it using tokenizer. And then we will convert text into some sequences. Then here I'm creating a model using LSTM, that is a long short-term memory. And then here we will split the dataset into training and test. And here, as you can see, I'm using TensorBoard to display the accuracy and loss graph. And here we will fit the model with the training data and we will evaluate its accuracy. Now here we can save the model into the JSON so that we can use it later. So here I'm just saving my model into a JSON format, and then here I'm loading and creating the model again from the JSON. And then I'm evaluating the loaded model. So as you can see, before saving it, its accuracy was 0.85, and the new model which I have created from the JSON, its accuracy is 89.86. Now here I will pass one test sentence to that model, and then we will predict its sentiment. So as you can see, after performing the sentiment analysis on this sentence, my model has predicted that its sentiment is positive, and which is actually correct. Now coming to task 2. So here we are applying grid search on our existing model. So grid search, actually it's a process of performing hyperparameter tuning in order to determine the optimal values for a given model. So after applying grid search on my model, I found that the best value for it would be on the APEC2. Now coming to task 3. So in this, instead of using the sentiment.csv, we will create a model using a spam.csv dataset, and it's the same model that which I have created in the task 1, just I have replaced the dataset, and then we will evaluate it. So after creating the model and evaluating it, I found that its accuracy is 0.98. Now let's see the TensorBoard. So here I'm displaying the accuracy and the loss graph for all the 3 tasks. So that's all for this ICP.